Hello everyone, we are here in the Soto Falls picnic area, Menton, Alabama, right?
Yes.
So my husband bring us in here so that we can visit these falls because he know that I love nature, right?
Yes.
I love nature, so he bring us in here, but we just take a video only because we didn't know you can go swim, but I'm scared. But below below to the falls, right, baby?
Yes, it's
We don't
cold.
know if we can swim over there. The lakeside only, it's have a putting like we are allowed to swim, but below to the falls I don't know because it's no people over there. So we are here in the top of the pool. See, then we really enjoy, and it's really nice view in here. We just traveling from Cartersville, and so in Cartersville, from Cartersville to Menton, Alabama, right?
Yes.
It's take 1 hour and 30 minutes to travel. So it's not really far, so it's good. See, it's so many people also visiting in here, taking pictures, taking videos. I love the place, but we didn't stay long over there because it's not like we didn't bring foods. So we just came quickly, take a pictures only, rest a little bit. That's only we did over there. See my kids. Ano ba naman yan eh? OMG, I'm not bleeding. Speaking English. Then, o ayan na mga Tagalog. O ayan, ang ganda ng view, 'di ba? Kaso nga lang, nakakatakot naman. Di rin namin alam kung pwede bang mag-ano diyan, mag-swimming sa baba. Pumunta kami diyan sa baba, oh, 'di ba? Ang hirap din. We we go to below to the falls. It's take for walking. It's almost 25 minutes to go there. Below over there. Is it right, my English?
Yes,
Eh,
20.
we walking from the parking area to go that falls below over there. It's take 20 minutes for walking, so it's not easy. Then my hubby, I'm worried about him because he is like he can't really good for breathing, right, baby?
Yes.
It's good we bring his inhaler, but we are fine. See, my kids take a video, also take a picture, and then we going to the below that falls, right?
Yes.
Mm. See, it's not easy to walk over there. It's 20 minutes, 20, almost 25 minutes to go. Then going back also, I don't know because we did different way. I don't know. Is it fast? What is the faster, baby? It's going back, or
Probably going back.
yeah, it's faster, but it's hard because it's like, what did you call like that? The one, it's like it's too many. What did you call like that? Rocks, right? It's big
Yeah.
rocks, and then it's hard because it's my hobby. It's like hard. It's not easy for him. Like he feel really tired. It's worst, right? But it's faster.
Yes.
So why it's going back this video? But we love it, the view, we enjoy it, even if we walk like 25 minutes, then going back it's 20 minutes because we stop sitting because it's not, you know, it's not easy. But it's nice below the falls. It's nice view, then the water, right, babe?
Yes.
Ian want to swim, but my hubby think that he didn't know the rules. Then we didn't know also, right? Because no one swim over there. We didn't see
Well, I know
someone
you can
swimming.
swim, but I don't know if you can swim in your underwear. That's what I was saying.
Mm. How I wish we saw over there when we came there that people that swimming, but it's very cold there, so that's why maybe no one gonna swim because it's very cold.
Mm.
Nanosebleed na tuloy ako. Oy, ano ba naman yan? Naku, basta nakakahingal talaga pag pauwi na namin dyan. Natatakot na ako sa hubby ko kasi parang hindi na siya makahinga. Buti may dala-dala kaming inhaler, no? Tapos nakalimutan din namin magdala ng water kasi tinanong ko siya, magdala ba ako ng water? Hindi naman siya nagsabi na ano. Sabi niya, no need na daw. Hindi na rin ako nagdala ng tubig. Iyon pala ang layo-layo kasi hindi namin sinearch muna kung ilang minutes puntahan doon tapos walang signal kasi nga napalibutan kami ng mga bato-bato. Kaya yun. Kaya hindi din kami nakapag-live, hindi na ako nakapag-video. O di ba? Pero worth it din naman ang nilakad namin ng 25 minutes. Sa pagbalik na hindi na namin na ano yun kung ilang minutes kasi nga ayan, 'di ba? Worth it naman din ang falls. Nakita niyo, 'di ba? Ang ganda-ganda, oh. Mm. Ang ganda ng view. Kaya di ka magsisisi talaga, oh. Pabalik na 'yan, guys. Pabalik, mahirap na pauwi. Hinihingal na ang mga person, napawisan ng person. Kaya 'yan. Hindi basta-basta, o 'di ba? May cave pa diyan, oh. Ang ganda. Ang pabalik mas maganda na siya kasi may parang cave na. Oh. May aso pa kaming nakasalubong, ang lalaki. Pero bakit diyan sila dumaan kaya? Pauwi na yan diyan eh. Hindi naman din kasi pwede naman pala papunta diyan. Kaso parang mahirap. Mahirap puntahan siya. Pababa kasi pag dyan, kami kasi hindi kami dyan dumaan pag pauwi na kasi ano siya ba, yung paangat na, mas mahirap, nakakahingal din. Di ba ang laki ng mga bato? O ayan. Saka thank you for watching everyone and bye!